Hello everyone, I'm here to guide you how you can fix Spotify not working on your Android device. So if you are experiencing the black hole issue with the Spotify on your Android device where the app is unresponsive or stale, here are some steps to troubleshoot and fix the problem. First of all, launch the Spotify app on your device. Once you have launched the Spotify app, here you have to restart the app. Close the Spotify app completely and then you can reopen this. You can do this by swiping it from the recent app menu. Here you can simply close it off and then you can open it. Also, you have to check your internet connection. Instead, you have a stable internet connection between your Wi-Fi or mobile data. You can try switching between your Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if that helps. You have to update your Spotify. Open the Google Play Store and check for the update for the Spotify. Once you have access with the Spotify here, if there is any update available, then you have to download the latest version of this Spotify on your device. Also, you can scroll down through the app drawer and long press on the Spotify and go for the eye icon. Once you are here, you have to tap on the stories or clear data to clear your cache. Tap on the clear cache and go for the OK option. So if the issue proceeds, you can also tap on the delete all data or clear data. So you have to note that it will log out or remove any download content from your Spotify. Also, you can uninstall the Spotify app here, then you can reinstall it. So you have to just navigate to your app drawer and long press on your Spotify and or you can uninstall your Spotify and then reinstall it on your device. So this is the simple step how you can fix your Spotify not working on your Android device. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.